on our Celeb Chat, meet yet another stylish star. Then on Fashion Funda, get funky with the new kurti trend. We'll get to know designer Sabyasachi and yet another star makeover on our Magic Makeover section. Agar pehle, well, as usual, I'm going to gate crash somebody else's room and find a little more interesting details. But this time I have a really, really pretty lady who's waiting for me. Well, I think she is.
Hi.
And we have Preeti Zinta with us. Hi, Preeti. And I need to peek in and see what's on your computer. She's looking really busy.
Well, just doing my schedule. Hello.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes, very nice to meet you, Malaika. I must say, you are looking stunning. By the way, if you all don't know, she's just had a baby.
And as you can see, she's taken over the interview.
You are really looking really nice, and I want to say that.
Thank you. Well, thanks. Okay, so today we're just not going to concentrate on all the 1 million things that you generally do. We're going to just concentrate on your style, the kind of clothes that you like to wear, the kind of places that you like to go to shop, your idea of style.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So let's start from your first film until now, which was Dil Se.
You were in it also. It was your first film also. Oh my God. We
We have a common point. Okay, tell me. I mean, do you think from then and now, style-wise or anything, I mean, do you think your whole look has really drastically changed from then and now?
I still like the same things I liked then, which is, for me, style is comfort, you know. I like clothes, I like them to have good cuts and clean cuts, but more than anything else, they have to fit me comfortable. They have to fit me well, and I have to be really comfortable in them. I hate clothes when you are like this. Yeah, really, or, you know.
All of that.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the few essentials that you have. Everybody, when they go shopping, there are a few things that they can't do without. They have to pick it up, come with me. What is it?
Shoes, for sure. I'm a shoe freak. I love shoes. I love bags, and
I have to check.
and undergarments. They have to be really nice. And,
Good lingerie.
yeah, good lingerie.
How do you like to wear your hair? I mean, if it's not up in all these, heavy styles.
Oh, when I'm not doing anything, my hair's all over the place. I don't care. Sorry. But again, I always condition my hair. That's very important. Always condition it. Even sometimes if I have a bit of dry ends and I'm working, you can't wash it every day. So then I use leave-in conditioner, which you can just brush it into your hair and then style it.
Yet it remains nice and soft
it remains
and manageable.
nice, especially the ends. Like you have split end menders or a leave-in conditioner.
Tell me the kind of music that you hear.
Music is depending on my mood completely.
So what mood are you in currently?
So currently I'm in the Koi Mil Gaya mood. This is a shoot for only 2 days. I'm out of town, so that's few clothes. Okay, this is a magic top. It's magic because it is one top and it gives the effect that it has a shirt inside it. And it works for those times when suddenly you have to go to a little formal thing, and you have to be a bit formal, and it's casual because it doesn't make it too hot to wear two things.
That is perfect. I think it's a must-have. I would definitely do that in a must-have.
Yeah, but that means everybody will have it and I won't be able to wear it.
No, don't worry.
I'm just joking.
Okay, now tell me, what would you like to wear this with? Like jeans or something?
Well, jeans, this I have got it with a pair of black corduroy pants because where I am, it's a bit cold at night. So
okay.
This is like a plain t-shirt inside.
Okay, that's a nice white tee that we have there.
These are dungarees, which you can wear any place, anytime, casual, lounging around. I have to say this is a must-have as well. You can fold them up and,
you could wear it, while traveling, just in anything. It's just so perfect.
This is a little more stylish, if I may say so. These are very, very low-waisted, faded jeans. And we have a nice little shirt there. There's a little shirt here, and it has a belt, which I would match it with.
Snakeskin belt.
And with beige boots, brown boots.
Perfect. I'm all set to party.
And this is a little matching number. It is a skirt, like that. And it has a lacy net top.
Very girly, I must say that.
Yeah, this is a little matching.
Okay, now what are your shoes like?
Shoes. is these are for the monsoon. When it rains.
Ah, lovely, perfect.
This is a
Nice little strappy numbers.
Okay. They are like my beige ones. These are my oldest shoes I have in my cupboard.
How old are they?
They're 6 years old.
Wow.
I always carry them. Always. This is a strappy black one.
Always need a strappy black pair.
Yeah,
you never
black
know.
pair is very essential. These are just slip-ons, but they're very comfortable. They're like sneakers. They're not sneakers, but they're just slip-ons, and white ones to match any of them.
Perfect. What about accessories? Are you a very accessory kind of person? Hats, belts?
Yes, that is in my suitcase, and I haven't unpacked that yet.
Okay, I have to tell you, you've lost oodles and oodles and oodles of weight. You're looking like all worked out and, you know.
Well, looking at you, I think I need to lose more weight now.
But it's all gone. It's not there anymore.
Well, I've been working out. I've been trying to take care of myself.
So is that the secret right now? Workouts and you know, eat right?
Well, I don't know about anybody else, but what I do is I work out 3 times a week. I do cardio. Cardio is obviously running, things for your heart. 3 times I do weight training, which is very lightweight. And on Sunday, I can eat anything I want in the world. I just can eat anything.
Binge.
I just binge on Sundays.
That's what God said.
Exactly, on every other day, I eat what I want to eat. It's not that I don't eat, but I eat in moderation. And after 8 o'clock, I don't eat bread or chapatis or rice.
Carbs.
After 8, no carbs.
See, that's a no-carb diet. I've told you this before.
No, I eat carbs in the day.
But after post 8 o'clock,
But post 7, 8, no carbs. Not when you're sleeping.
and that's the secret.
Well,
Right now.
yeah, I guess.
Amazing.
Thank you. And lots of water.
Okay, before we sign off, some style tips that you want to share with our viewers.
I think most important tip on style is follow your body, follow yourself. Fashion is very, very important. But just because something is in fashion doesn't mean you have to wear it even though you look terrible in it. There's certain things that don't suit me. I will never wear them irrespective of however fashionable they may be. And my biggest secret in terms of style tip is you want a lip gloss effect. Lip gloss sometimes dries out your mouth. I always use a very, very high density Vaseline. So it gives you, like right now I'm wearing a Vaseline, not a lip gloss. So it just gives you a really nice shine and conditions your lips.
It stays on for like a long time.
It stays on, it doesn't give, you know those flyaways, sometimes it stick to your gloss and they streak your face. So Vaseline.
Perfect. Now, before we say goodbye, Koi Mil Gaya, I am too excited. I want to see that. And just one last thing, just stay the way you are. You are really stylish and a really cool person. Just stay that way.
Thank you, Malaika. It's
Thanks so much for being on the show. Well, everybody out there, you know the drill. Just stay stylish and don't forget all the tips that we've just given you, courtesy Preeti. Make sure it stays in your head and don't ever forget, okay? Stay tuned. Only the Style Check.